Hi everyone, in this video I'm gonna test Ollama with LangChain on Windows. I tested on Mac OS, so this is my Windows machine, and I'm gonna serve Ollama. This will run the Ollama, and we can check. Eleven 434. Okay, so now we're gonna run install. Three Python one-liners. See. Okay, here are the three examples. It's a bit slow, but it's working. It's a bit slow because of my computer. So first did the explanation, and the second line show you three one-liners just randomly picked. Okay, now okay. So this is how to call Ollama from LangChain. Okay, first you need to pip install LangChain if you haven't, and then first set up an environment and install LangChain, and then let's run it. See if the other process is finished. Yeah, the other process is finished. So we're gonna leave this here, and I'm gonna run this. Oh, spelling. Okay. Complete. Okay, seems like it's working. You see the requests. It takes a while with the LangChain. I notice you have to go through extra layers, so it's a bit slower than accessing through the terminal. Whenever you use a framework, it's additional layer to go through. But status is 200 successful. We just have to wait. Okay, here.